What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Sorry for the noise, guys. I'm right here by the street, but as you can tell from the title of this video, I am going to give you a walkthrough of this entire property. It's the biggest one I've ever worked on ever in the history, in my 20-year history, we'll say that. So I'm just gonna give you a walkthrough of the property and just let you see how massive this property is. I think it's close to 2 acres total, but I'm not exactly sure on the numbers. I would say maybe 1.6, probably 1.7, somewhere in there. So almost 2 acres. So, all right, guys, here we go. This is gonna be awesome. So just off the street, coming up the driveway, there's the house. Nice row of arborvitae here along the side of the driveway to block the neighbors. Well done there, that's for sure. So coming up the driveway, nice wide open stripe game, gonna be on point next year, hopefully. Coming up the driveway, huge yews, huge. A little bit smaller here by the front door here. Beautiful house though. Beautiful house. Got my truck and trailer parked there. Nice little circle around here. So you saw the main house, and then here is what would have been the servants' quarters right here, or the maid, or whatever you want to call it. So they actually rent that out, and so that's another source of income for them, which I think is a pretty sweet idea. So now let's dive into the backyard. So we got over here, shed, whatnot, nice driveway to nowhere. Bamboo. Bamboo City. Old tree. More big yews in the back. Oh, I hate these things. They're just huge. But we cleaned along the fence line pretty nice, I think. Turned out pretty nice. Got all the leaves up off the quote-unquote grass. Lot of vines in here. Lot of vines in here. I mean, a lot of vines. Another really large tree over here. There might have been one right here where this hole is. And then, oh, wait till you guys see what was over here. So, first off, this cement thing right here, or stone, not sure, was a bench. And you can see the 2 legs right here. But it has grown into the tree. Can you believe that? Grown into the tree. Anyway, there was a massive pile of leaves here, as well as just brush and sticks. I think the person that mowed the lawn, they would pick up the larger sticks and then they would just pile them near where they picked them up. Because there were piles all around here that you could just see they were tossed along the edges. So we got this all cleaned up in this corner. And I think that's a pretty nifty property marker right there. I mean, guys, you can tell back in the day this was probably really something. So, and then we've come full circle around just about to the front here. This is a huge tree, man. And just some more larger bushes. You can see the beautiful stonework on the house though. Beautiful. I don't know why people let the landscaping go. I just don't understand that. As I'm sure you guys can imagine, I've been just inside the front door, and the inside is awesome, but why do you let the outside go? I just don't understand that. So, and then the only other place where there's a really problem is back in that corner by that white shed, as well as where's Mom?
You gonna pull up there and back in?
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, if you pull up there and back in down here, then you can pull right on out.
Okay, alright. I'm just gonna show them these vines here and then we'll be done. The absolute worst area is over here. This is the side of the cottage. How do you like that for a nice view? Lovely. I would love to look out my windows and see that every day. That would just, oh, it would thrill me. But anyway, this right here is the worst of the vines. Just overtaking everything. Why? Just overtaking everything. All along here. Terrible. Nice, I think it's a magnolia tree. Don't take my word for it, but I'm pretty sure it is. Nice front yard though. So I think this is pretty sweet. It's a huge yard, but there was a little walk around. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I do not know. The only thing I've been asked to do at the moment was the fall cleanup. So, and it was only in the backyard. So we really took our time getting the vines out and stuff out of the backyard. But so I don't know what more. Hopefully we'll get some more work out of this, but we'll just take it one step at a time. So thankful I could even do this much. So, alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year if I don't talk to you guys before then, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.